Hello, you're welcome to this video. In this video I want to quickly show you how to give someone access to manage your YouTube channel. The first method you can use is you go directly to the app, YouTube Studio app. Go to the YouTube Studio app, for instance. Okay, here we are. This is the channel, or you can switch to any channel you want to grant access to here. If you are managing different channels, right, you can switch to the particular channel you want to grant access. Okay, once you're on the channel, you click here on this icon to the top right of your screen. Then you're going to go to settings, and then you see permissions, and then you see who is already managing, and then you click on what, invite, right? Click on invite. You enter the person's email here, and then you're going to choose, or let me just put something, and then you're going to choose whether you want to give the person access as a manager or an editor, a limited editor. So it all depends on exactly what you want the person to do. A viewer, the person can only view your content from the back end, but he cannot make any substantial changes, you know. So, but if you want the person to actually do some activities on your channel, you need to give the person the manager access. He can view everything, manage permissions, go live, and create and edit and delete content. The same here. This person can view everything, go live, and create and delete content. Can manage permissions or delete content, So that is it. And then you click on send, and it's going to go, and the person will receive an email to confirm the access. So if you don't have this YouTube Studio app, you can simply go ahead and download it to do that. Another way is you can go directly to the Chrome browser or any browser, and then you simply go to search bar here, you type in studio.youtube.com. Studio.youtube.com is going to take you to YouTube Studio, and you ensure that you're logged in when you're logged into that browser with that particular account, right? So here is it, and then you simply go down here right at the bottom here. You're gonna click that setting, please. Right at the bottom here, you see that setting icon. You can see it right here, down here. So you can click on that, then it's going to open up, and then you see permissions. Click on permissions. It's going to open up. You see who is the owner. There is nobody managing this, so you do what? You click on invite. Click on invite. You enter the person's email, and then you choose the access you want to grant to the person, just the same like the other app studio, right? You choose what kind of access do you want to grant the person, and then you take done once you enter the email, and boom, it goes. So as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Endeavor to subscribe to our channel, like, share to help others. Thank you. God bless you.